Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to open the fuel tank of a Duet. Start by parking safely and switching off the engine. Locate the fuel door release under the driver's seat or on the lower left dash. If your model has a manual cap, turn counterclockwise until it releases. For remote release, press and hold the fuel door button until you hear a click. Always check for fuel cap seals before refueling. Begin by checking the owner's manual for the Duet's fuel access instructions. Confirm whether the model uses a lever, button, or cap release. For lever systems, pull firmly and observe the fuel door opening. For button systems, press once or hold depending on model, then wait for the mechanism. If the cap is locked, use the key fob or manual key to unlock it. Keep the area clear of debris before opening. When replacing the fuel cap, align the threads and turn clockwise until you hear 2 clicks or feel resistance. Ensure the gasket sits flat to prevent leaks. If the cap is damaged, replace it with a compatible OEM or rated aftermarket cap. After closing the fuel door, verify it latches securely by giving it a gentle push. Report any unusual resistance or loose fittings to a tech.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.